Hey everyone, I wanted to talk to you real quick about some issues that could arise depending on where you stack your firewood, in particular in regards to stacking it real close to the house like this, real close to the back door. Um, I know it's been cold, really cold the last couple of weeks. A lot of you have been using your fireplace. It's going to be cold the next couple of days. You'll probably be using your fireplace again, and we tend to want to stack our firewood next to the house or maybe close to the back door, like this firewood is, so that we don't have to go out and spend a lot of time in the cold to get our firewood in the house to make a fire and to keep it going. The issue with that is this is a perfect environment. Firewood stacked like this is a perfect environment for insects to come and make their home and to make their nest. Um, it's an open invitation for scorpions, spiders, ants, a number of different insects to come make their home, and that's where they're going to thrive. So, as a long-term solution, you don't want to have your firewood stacked close to your house like this. As it gets warmer, as we get closer to spring, if you know you're not going to be using your fireplace anymore, go ahead and get rid of this. Get it out in the yard. Get it somewhere else away from the house, because the next step from them going from the firewood, making their nest and their home in the firewood, the next step is to go inside the house. So if you want to be able to help control the pest population within your house, inside your house, you need to take some steps and make sure you keep things like firewood away from your house, and that's going to help tremendously in controlling the population within your house. So hope that helps. If you have any questions or need any help with that, feel free to comment below or shoot us a message. We'll be glad to help you out. Thanks.